How to get throwback trade products for less. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about get throwbacks. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Throwback and how you can buy their products for less. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and you will find the link to the website in the description below, along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. So here you can see I'm on the website, and they mainly sell posters. They got a bunch of different options. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. They got girls posters, llama, unicorn, nursery, the Danish pastel, and the motivational ones. So let's go ahead and select this one and see how they look like. Then once you've selected the ones you like, just simply click on them. All right. And then just simply hit the add to cart button. Once they're added, just simply hit the checkout button. And once you're here in the checkout, just simply apply the discount codes, which you can find in the description below. And it's as simple as that. Then just fill out this form and hit the buy now button. And there you go. That's how you can get throwback products for less. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.